natin, Mr. Darren Espanto, the total performer. Siyempre, hi Darren. Congratulations and welcome to our MediaCon.
Thank you po.
How do you feel, Darren, na sabi nga natin kanina, small talk, after so long, parang this is the first time that you seal the contract with, the network contract with ABS-CBN?
Yun nga po, sinabi ko kanina sa mga boss, I've been with ABS-CBN for almost 10 years now, tapos first network contract ko. So it's really a dream come true kasi nung bata pa lang ako, nakikita ko yung mga artista na, yung mga nasa news articles ng ABS-CBN. So nakikita ko po yun nung bata ako na pumapirma sila. Tapos ngayon, isa na ako sa mga artists na yun. So it feels surreal to me. Opo.
Totoo. Pero yun nga, sabi nga natin, ikaw nakikita mo, nawi-witness mo yan growing up, di ba, bilang gusto mo tong bagay na ginagawa mo at industriya na kinabibilangan mo. Pero never ka bang nag-ask or nagtanong na parang ang tagal ko naman na laging may mga shows, may ginagawa, pero wala pa rin ako yung network contract? May mga ganong times ba na dumating sa'yo before?
Parang wala naman po akong mga times na, alam mo yun, napaisip na, ba't kaya wala akong network contract? Pero, Star Magic artist naman din po ako. So, I'm technically with ABS-CBN na rin through that. And I understand kasi hindi rin naman po ako yung tipong umaarte talaga regularly. So, parang hindi ko naman naisip na kailangan ko ng network contract din. So, yun po. I've just always been loyal to the network as well. Kahit wala rin naman akong network contract, kapamilya naman din ako. So, ayun po. Parang di ko naman siya naisip. Oo.
Totoo, di ba? Even if before, di ba? Darren, pwede ka rin dito sa gitna. Kahit wala pa siya with ABS-CBN sa The Voice, di ba? Nabanggit doon at nakikita na namin siya sa mga TFC shows natin dati na nagpo-front act na talaga siya with different kapamilya artists. Thanks, Darren, for that.
Thank you, Ate Jai.
Yes, I'll proceed to our media friends. We'll start with Miss Ana Cerezo. Ayan, Miss Ana, question for Darren.
Hello po.
Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. Since ngayon nga, total performer ka na, what else can we expect from you? And would you still say na until now, learning process ka pa din with all the achievements you've had na?
I feel like you never stop learning po talaga eh. Marami kang mga learning experiences na pagdadaanan throughout your life. So even in my craft, gusto ko po palagi na mag-improve. Siyempre, in terms of singing, napagdaanan ko na po more recently yung vocal coaching from different voice teachers and vocal coaches din po, tamang mga placements, ganun. Kasi hindi po talaga ako dumaan sa formal training for singing. Gusto ko na lang talaga siyang mahasapa. And yun nga po, longevity yung kailangan natin in our career. So for my voice to always stay in its best shape, syempre kailangan po natin pagdaanan yung mga tamang placements, pag-aralan yung mga ganun. And in terms of dancing, hindi po talaga ako marunong sumayaw bago ako sumali sa The Voice Kids. Mga grooves lang, ganun. Grooving lang. Pero talagang napag-aralan ko yun, yung Sunday po sa ASAP natin to. Alam mo yung every Sunday may bagong choreo na ibibigay sa'yo. And it's not just one type of dance. Iba't iba siya. So parang dun ko siya natutunan na lang. Kaya din po ako nag-improve sa aking pagsayaw. And gusto ko rin pong subukan pumunta sa mga dance lessons talaga, like one-on-ones, kasi hindi ko pa po yun nagawa. So that's also something that I'd like to do. And also, siguro what you can expect from me is more acting projects as well, especially with ABS-CBN po ngayon. Meron po kayong mga dapat abangan na hindi ko pa pwedeng i-share. Actually, kapag inere ito, hindi ko alam kung nakalabas na siya. Pero this year, meron din po akong movie with Miss Vilma Santos and Sir Christopher De Leon. At ang kapartner ko po dun si Cassie Legaspi. So, it's something that I never thought would be possible po, pero mangyayari na siya. So, it's also a different side of Darren na makikita po nila dun. So, that's also something that I'd like to work on more, acting classes pa, kasi nakapag-workshops na rin po ako with Derek Ryan before. Ayun po.
One more question. You started, di ba, as a kapamilya, you grew up as a kapamilya. In all those years, ano yung experience mo that made you stay? What is so rewarding or what is the best part or feeling of being kapamilya that makes you want to still be a kapamilya until now?
Kapag po, yun talaga, I don't know, what makes me want to stay as a kapamilya, siguro, when that's what's in your heart po talaga, ever since parang hindi ko po naisip or na-imagine yung sarili ko na nasa ibang network. Although we're all friends with everyone else in the other networks, especially now po, I've always imagined myself as a kapamilya artist, and it never really crossed my mind na what if nasa ibang station po ako or network. So, also the way that we're being treated here in ABS-CBN, isa po talagang malaking pamilya kami dito with our bosses, our co-artists. So, I never really found a reason po to leave. But I do keep finding reasons to stay with ABS-CBN. Opo.
Thank you, Miss Anna. Thank you, Darren. Naku, parang na-curious tuloy ang mga nanonood sa atin kung ang movie ba na yan ay nakapag-shoot na with Miss Vilma Santos.
Yes po, tapos na actually. So, showing na siya this year when I met you in Tokyo.
Wow.
Yeah.
Exciting, kaabang-abang, di ba? Thanks, Darren. Next question will come from Daniel.
Hello po.
Ayun, hello Darren. So, share ko lang kasi yung mom ko kasi avid viewer ng ASAP. So, lagi kanya rin inaabangan. So, ayun. Given na ASAP is performing in Milan, so what are you looking forward to na magpa-perform ka sa Italy? So, ayun.
Yeah, it's my first time performing there sa Italy nga po. And excited ako kasi syempre, ang tagal naming di nakapag-ASAP out of the country. Yung first namin was ASAP Vegas last year. Tapos, alam niyo po yung konti lang talaga kaming nakapunta for the show kasi everything was, just starting up again. So this year, mas marami po kaming mga kapamilyang mga kasama ng mga artists. And syempre, I'm very excited kasi this is ASAP's first time in Milan as well. So I'm excited to experience the show with my co-artists, with my ASAP family din po, and see all our kapamilyas abroad.
So, yun. Also, apart from, syempre, you've performed in other parts of the world, like US, Canada, also, yun nga, Milan soon. Ano pa yung dream mo na parang location kung saan mo gusto mag-perform? Like, kunwari, is it in Korea kasi nga malakas yung K-pop culture doon, or is it in anywhere else? Ayun.
Yeah, actually, yun nga po gusto ko po sana makapag-perform dati sa Rome kasi hindi ako nakasama nung ASAP Rome because of my schedule. So, gusto ko pong makapag-perform sana dun. And also, na-mention nyo na nga po Korea kasi it's something that has been very popular recently. Siyempre po yung K-pop. So, gusto ko pong makapag-perform dun, matutunan pa kung ano yung culture nila, and also the training that they go through, which is something na similar sa ginawa namin with the Dream Chasers sa Dreammaker nga po. Where else? Gusto ko sanang makapag-perform ulit sa China after doing Singer kasi nakita ko kung paano sila mag-set up ng production nila and everything. So, it really is a different experience din. It's not just being able to perform in that country, but it's also learning different ways on how they run their shows, and also the technology that they use sa bawat bansa, magkakaiba po eh. Yun.
Again, congratulations sa inyong network contract. And
Thank you po.
Thank you, Dania.